The ruler, as part of the drawing tools for the Tactipad, has dimensions of a length of 35 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. The two far ends are rounded, and in the 0 position there is a hole of 2 centimeters, and along the whole length of the ruler there is in the middle a groove of 2 centimeters wide. So in fact there are two rulers that are connected with a bridge. These bridges are 10 centimeters from each other, so it helps you to count the distance. On the inner side of these of the grooves we have again the 5 centimeter indicators, so they help you to find the distance of any length. Along the edges of the ruler we have again the centimeter indicators, so as similar as on the frame of the Tactipad. These knobs, these holes and these groove in the ruler are meant to place on the knobs that are in the grooves in the frame around the Tactipad. When I rotate the knob and fix it again, the ruler cannot move, and in this case I could make a straight line here 5 centimeters, and on the right side also on the 5 centimeters, and now this line is a straight line from left to right. And I want to make a line actually on the paper. There are two ways I can do it. I can either draw in between my fingers, so I want to have a line is starting here, and then the line length should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. So I place my fingertips on the edge and draw with the pen along the ruler, and here I should have a line of 6 centimeters. It's underlining my name, so actually it's a little too high. So in this case, when I want to have a straight line again, I reposition the knob with 2 centimeters down. I have to count here 1, 2. I can rotate again, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. So in this way it is rather easy to draw straight lines. When you are more experienced as a user, on the bottom side of the ruler we have little rubber feet, and they make the ruler less slippery on the plastic paper. You could also use one knob, and in this way you could make an angle on the paper. On the top one we have fixed, and the bottom one is loose, and so you can still rotate, and in this way it would be easy to make an angle of a certain size.